It's not a job just anybody can do. It's the kind of job that finds you. It's about the people you work with, help, and protect. It's getting excited about big engines and even bigger trucks. It's the smell of diesel and how you can make that motor really hum. It's about staying ahead of delays, challenges, and squeezing out every mile and minute you can, while dotting the I's and crossing the T's. Most people think you're crazy to work this hard, but you take this as a compliment, because at the end of the day, success is more than a number on the bottom line. It's doing the things the right way, the safe way, always. Learn how Encompass can enhance your current fleet management program. Talk to a business safety compliance specialist today.